So let's see now how we can attend a Google Meet if we are invited. So I'm opening the invitation that I have received, and in the invitation I see a link for Google Meet. So this is the link for Google Meet. I'm opening the link by clicking on it. So now I am in the procedure of joining the Google Meet. Now there are three icons here. One is video. Let my video be on. Second one is microphone. So I am putting off the microphone as I join, and then I am asking to join. So I am clicking on ask to join. So someone will admit me. So someone has let me in. So I am already in the meet. Now I have to see the symbols, okay, at the bottom. See, now no symbol is seen. So I need to tap the screen, that's all. Then I can see the symbol. First symbol is leave the meet symbol. Second symbol is video symbol. Okay. Third symbol is microphone symbol. Now I have turned off the microphone. That's why in the mic symbol across there is a line. Now if I need to talk, okay, I can just tap on, or I can just click on the microphone symbol. When I click on that, line is gone. Okay. So now whatever I talk, others will be able to hear. So I need to turn off the microphone once again by tapping on microphone symbol. Okay. Once again by tapping on the microphone symbol, so that the audio will be clear in the meet. It avoids unnecessary noises. Now we have seen the three symbols. First one is leave the meet symbol. Once the meet is over, we need to click on this phone symbol and leave the meet. Second one is video. Third one is microphone symbol. When we talk, we need to put on. When we complete our talking, we can just click on that so that we can turn off the microphone. Now let's see the three dots, okay, three dots towards the end. That contains like share screen, in call messages. We need not share the screen. When somebody presents, they need to share the screen. If we share the screen by mistake, we can stop sharing the screen. There will be an option of stop sharing that we can do. Otherwise, we need to specially know what is in call messages. Let me just click on in call messages. See, here is a box. I can send message to the participants so that they will be able to see. Now, when I want to come back to the meet, I need to just click on this cross symbol. Okay. So when I click on that, I am back to the meet. Now, simply when I tap, nothing is seen. We should remember we need to tap once again so that we can see the symbols if we need to use it. So if we are answering any calls during the meet, our meet automatically gets disconnected. So we need not worry. We can go back again, okay, to the link, click on the link and join the meet. Now, once the meet is over, I just want to leave the meet. So I can click on this phone symbol. So see, meet is over. This is the way we need to attend a Google Meet by using our mobile.